You? No. Lot 250. 2.5% duty does not apply to a resident of the U.S. Good news there. Lot 250 is the 1968 Chevrolet Corvette L88 Red NART Le Mans. Your eyes don't deceive you. That's a Ferrari prancing horse and NART badge on a Corvette finished in racing red. This car was entered by Red in Luigi Canetti's reserve spot at Le Mans, the 24-hour race. The successor to the legendary Rebel, the car also won its class at Daytona, and in recent years it's been fully restored by Corvette expert Kevin Mackay, the famous 1968 Chevrolet Corvette L88 Red NART Le Mans.
Absolutely magnificent car. At $400,000 I am bid. At $400,000. Do I have $500,000? Opening bid of $400,000. $450,000 I have. Do I have $500,000 now anywhere? At $450,000, do I have $500,000 from you, sir? Up to you. It's here to be sold, of course, at $450,000, $500,000 now. Do I have $550,000 anywhere now? We're just $500,000 for this magnificent machine. $550,000. Do I have $600,000 now? We're at $550,000. I cannot quite believe it. Not adjusted that price at $550,000 only. Do I have $600,000? At $550,000 then, do I have $600,000? Thank you. $600,000. Do I have any advance at $600,000 now? At $600. Any advance at $600? Would you bid me $650 now? At $600,000. Thank you, Alan. $650,000. Do I have $700 from you now, sir? I've got $650 on my left. Do I have $700 now from you, Alex? At $650. $700,000 now. $700,000. Any advance on my left? At $700,000 on my right. Do I have any advance on my left now? You're out on my left. $750,000. At $750,000. Any advance now? We're at $750,000 now. Do I have $800,000 now from you, Alex? $800,000. I've taken $800,000 now from Alex at $800,000. And $850,000, sir. $850,000. We're at $800,000 only for this magnificent Corvette. Do I have $850,000? $850,000. Thank you. $850,000. Now $900,000. Now $900,000. At $850,000 then, with this magnificent Corvette L88, do I have any advance? Well, at $850,000, you're out here on my right at $850,000. Take some time, have a think about it. There's no rush. At $850,000, do I have $900,000? You're out? Are you sure? Well, at $850,000, do I have $900,000 from you now? At just $850,000, ladies and gentlemen, for this absolutely magnificent machine. Are we all done? Are we all finished? At $850,000, if I have no better bid, ladies and gentlemen, at just $850,000 then for this L88. Are we all done? Are we all finished? At $850,000, are you sure? Last chance. You're out on my left. You're out on my right. I'm sure of you done at $850,000 then. All done. All finished at $850,000. Past that one, I'm afraid. $850,000.